Greetings from NeuronThemes. Adding social share icons to your website will give you that ripple effect of gaining traffic from one share to another. There is an abundant quantity of people using social platforms not only to communicate but also share different things with each other. So why not use this to your advantage? This is why we will be showing you how to add the social share buttons as well as style and design them using the powerful tools of Neuron Builder. To kick off adding your share buttons, you first need to head to the page where you want your social icon shown. We will add our social share buttons on this page, on our single post template to provide our users with the ability to share our content. Let's begin by searching for the share buttons element and drag it here in this section, right before the author box. Great! Now, this first impression might not be totally in sync with our design, but we'll make it blend with the rest of the page using these robust tools here. First of all, we should notice that we have some tabs here. They are here to help you add all the social media platforms you wish. Click upon one tab and you will unlock other important settings. First, we have the networks which are supported by Neuron Builder. The list is long and diverse and includes all the popular social media platforms. Select one from the drop-down menu. Next, on the custom label settings, here you can type in a custom title for the icon instead of the usual official name. Or we'll leave it blank because we only want to show icons. This way, you add all other platforms that you need. If you wish to duplicate or delete a social media, simply use these two buttons next to the tab. While if you wish to add more tabs, click on this Add Item button here. And great! Let's add more social media icons to give our users the chance of various shared platforms. Once you've done setting up all the social media, down here we have some more settings to configure. From Style, you can choose to either show icon and text, icon only, or text only. We'll go with icon only. For Skin, you can choose a variety of designs starting from gradient, minimal, framed, or boxed. We'll choose Flat. You can also assign a shape for your icons, either square, rounded, or circle. You can assign icons to display in specific column values, or set it to auto. At least that's what we'll be doing. Let's assign our share button on the center, but nevertheless, you can choose either left, right, or justify. In the Target URL section, you can set the current page to redirect or add a custom URL. We're done with the Content tab. Now we move on to the Style tab. These are all the settings that allow us to create beautiful designs with. Let's set the columns gap to be the value of 32 pixels. You can also set the row gap, set the value for the button height. Let's design the icons. We'll set their size. It will be the value of 19 pixels. Set the width of the icon, as well as the height, all depending on the design you aim to create. From color, you can choose them to have their official color, or if you wish to have your social media blend with your design, you can choose custom color. You can add a border type for the share icons. We won't do that. Set the primary color. We'll have it to be transparent. Also, set the secondary color. And lastly, if you add text on your share buttons, you can tweak the typography options as per your desire. You can use them in multiple pages like landing pages, home pages, blog posts, product posts, or portfolio if that suits you. In fewer words, you can add the social share buttons anywhere you want on the page or any page possible. And we're done. This is our final result. Let's preview how it looks. And it seems amazing. Well, that was it. This concludes our video. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more guides and tutorials.